Have you seen those adorable little wellness shots when you are out at your favorite juice bars? Would you like to be able to make those at home? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make a wellness shot for adrenal fatigue. Hi, I'm Melissa from Yoga with Melissa. You may already know me if you experience the exhaustion, the body aches, the sleep disturbances, and digestive issues that come with adrenal fatigue, because I offer so many great styles of yoga, from yin yoga, restorative yoga, and yoga nidra, that help to restore those adrenals on my main channel, Yoga with Melissa. So today we're going to make an adorable wellness shot with 4 simple ingredients and an optional 5th to restore your adrenal glands. The first 3 ingredients are celery, lime, and cucumber. The lime, celery, and cucumber contain vitamins and minerals like potassium, natural sodium, and magnesium, which help to calm the nervous system. And it signals to and from the brain, thus relaxing the body. The celery will help to restore the adrenals. Cucumber helps to clear the kidneys of toxins, and lime reduces inflammation and lowers blood sugar. If you are liking this video so far, then give it a thumbs up and I have these ingredients in my fridge. Our special ingredient today is from Botanica. It is their daily Zen shot, previously known as fermented holy basil. And this will reduce stress and promote your gut health. Holy basil is wonderful for people who are suffering from adrenal fatigue because it helps to regulate cortisol. Now, before we sprinkle a little maca on top, I want to offer my sprinkle on top for you today. If you would like to experience even better sleep and restore those adrenals even faster, then go to melissawest.com and I will send you my 7 days of yoga, ayurveda, self-massage, and breath practices to get the best sleep. So back to our sprinkle on top, which is maca. It's also been shown to provide effective support for blown out adrenals. The adaptogenic qualities of maca actually helps your body normalize cortisol levels, reduce exhaustion from stress, and protect against other negative stress effects. So enjoy.